Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, getting ready to do a repair, so I thought I'd do a video on a simple repair for a broken Marx tender, standard four-wheel tender. Now, the problem with this one is the couplers mount over a stud, as you see. And in this case, the stud was broken completely off. In fact, it was broken off flush. So all you do is, using a drill press or a hand drill a small hole in the end of that stanchion, and we will mount the coupler with a sheet metal screw. Really simple to do this. So I've got my coupler, put it where the stud is supposed to be, and I've got a sheet metal screw and a small washer, as you see. So just line up this screw, and this is a sheet metal screw, so it cuts its own threads. Tighten it down, and you have repaired it. Now on this end, of course, you slide the coupler through and just melt the sprue. Just remelt it, drop a small washer over it, as you see. And then just remelt that sprue. And you can do it with a soldering iron, the end of a hot drill bit, anything you can heat up. And then just remelt this plastic, sprue it out. That will lock the coupler in position. And you have basically repaired the tender. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this simple repair. If these studs are broken off, just drill a hole and use a sheet metal screw. It works, it's simple. Put a drop of epoxy on the thread, screw it in. That will never come back out of there, unless you want to take it out, of course. But it's a really simple way to repair one of these tenders. Now here is the original wheels, of course. The thing was just absolutely trash. So I'll de-rust these, and when I get this repaired, I will install these. So it's a really simple way to make a decent tender out of what was a piece of junk in the junk box. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on these broken studs. Again, if that stud is broken off, there's no way to mount the coupler. So if it is broken off, drill a hole in the end of it and use a sheet metal screw and a washer, and it's up and running. It takes about 2 minutes to do this. Like I said, put a drop of epoxy on those threads, screw that screw down, it will never come back out. So just a simple repair for these Marx plastic tenders. If that stud is broken off, they're virtually worthless. But again, just drill a hole, mount the coupler with a screw. It works really well. It only takes a minute to do it. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.